Okay, so this is your exam number 2 about unit 2, which is percents. So number 1, what is 160% of 80 kilograms? Is it A, 200 kilograms, or B, 128 kilograms? Number 2, Brenda earns $120 per week working at a part-time job. After taxes, her paycheck is only 75% of what she earned. What is the amount of Brenda's check? Is it A, $900, or B, $90? 3. 15% of 240 is what number? C, 45, or D, 36? Number 4. 18 is what percent of 72? Is it C, 25, or D, 35? Number 5. A tiger can eat 15% of his weight in one feeding. If a tiger can eat 72 pounds of meat at a time, what is its weight? Is it A, 1,082 pounds, or B, 480 pounds? And number 6. Which equation and solution represent the situation? Solutions may be rounded to the nearest tenth. What number is 74% of 58? Is it B, n equals 0.74 times 58, answer 42.9? Or is it D, n equals 74 times 58, answer equals 4,292? And remember, 1 through 6 are percent equations. Okay. Then the next portion is percent of change. So you're going to use your percent of change equation to figure these out. So number 7. During the first half of the year, there were 54 students in the school's bicycling club. In the second half of the year, the club had 68 members. Find the percent of increase in club membership to the nearest whole percent. Is it C, 26%, or D, 21%? Number 8. The price of a computer system at an electronics store is $1,000 or $1,099. Determine the percent of change if the price Determine the percent of change in price if the computer system sold for $1,349 a month. Would it be A, an 18% decrease, or B, a 22.7% increase? Number 9 and 10 are asking what is the percent of change. Round to the nearest whole percent if necessary. So you might not even have to round. Is the percent of change an increase or decrease? So 9 is 200 to 300. Is this a 33% increase or a 50% increase? Number 10 goes from $300 to $200. Is it a 100% decrease or a 33% decrease? Number 11, first of all, these are sales tax, tips, markups, and discounts. So you're going to use that equation to figure out the tax, tip, markup, and discount. So number 11. A DVD costs $20. The sales tax is 14%. How much sales tax do you have to pay? So this one is just asking for how much sales tax you have to pay. Is it C, $28, or D, $22.80? Number 12. The regular price of a video game is $69.95. This week, it is on sale for 15% off. What does the game cost this week? Is it A, $10.49, or B, $59.46? Number 13. Maria has lunch at a restaurant. If her bill was $12.25 and Maria wants to leave a 20% tip, what is a reasonable estimate for the amount she would leave for a tip? Is it C, $2.45, or D, $2.80? Number 14. Roberto deposited $860 in a new account that earned 6.5 simple interest. After 6 months, how much interest will he have earned? So for this one, you're going to use the I equals PRT equation to figure it out. So is it C, $27.95, or D, $2.80? Number 15. What is the total cost to the nearest cent if you get a $20 haircut and leave a 15% tip? Is it C, $23, or D, $26? Part B. Make sure to answer all of the following questions. You must show your work and answer in full sentences. Even if the answer can be done easily, you must show your work to get full credit. That way we can see the process of how you did your work. So number 16, fill in the following table. So you have percents, decimals, and fractions, and you're going to convert percents to decimals to fractions based on the knowledge that you know. So for this section, you're going to take the percent and you're going to change it to a decimal. And then you're going to change that decimal to a fraction. Over here where it says decimal, you're going to change this decimal to a percent and you're going to change it to a fraction. And then the same goes for over here. So you have your fractions, you're going to change them to decimals, and you're going to change the decimals to a percent. And remember, you can use the cheat sheet that you did yesterday in class. Number 17. 4 students ran for the position of school president. Use the following results to figure out who won. Explain how you determined your answer. Hint, which one has the highest percentage? So you're going to look at which one has the highest percentage. So Jenna received 22% of the votes. Jordan received 1/4 of the votes. Kelsey received 6 out of every 20 votes. And Nathan received 23 out of 100 of the votes. So A is asking who won, so you're going to put the name, and then B, it says explain. So you're going to explain and show your work about how you got your answer. Number 18. Ashley bought a pair of shoes. They were on sale for 35% off of $50. So A, what was the discount? So how much money did she save? So that's going to be step 1 of your process. And then B, what was the sale price? So that's the total cost after the discount. And then part C, if Kentucky charges 6% sales tax, how much would her total cost be after sales tax? Hint, remember you are using the total she's actually paying. So you're going to finish A and B and then do part C. Okay, this last page is extra credit. And we want you guys to try to at least attempt to do these, okay? Because I promise it'll benefit you. So number 1, the price of a $500 item is increased by 20% and then decreased by 20% of that price. Is the final price $500? Explain and show your work. Most teens start their school shopping long before classes start, as shown on the graph. So over here, we have back to school shopping months, June, July, August, and September. So it's asking us to write an equation, so part equals percent times whole, to find the number of teens out of 2,000 who said they shop in July. You're going to solve and show your work. And remember, part equals is and whole represents of. Number 3. What vocabulary word can be used to describe a small amount by which the regular price of a service is increased to express appreciation for the service? Number 4. What vocabulary word can be used to describe the amount of money originally deposited, invested, or borrowed?